Today we will study about the cell structure and function. It is the subject of human anatomy and physiology. The cells are the body's smallest functional unit. The human body develops from a single cell, which is called as zygote, which results from the fusion of the ovum and the spermatozoon. A cell consists of the plasma membrane enclosing a number of organelles which are suspended in watery fluid called as cytosol. It includes the number of the organelle like nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and the cytoskeleton. Plasma membrane. It consists of the two layers of phospholipids in which the proteins and the sugars are embedded. In this, the lipid cholesterol is also present. The phospholipid molecules have a head which is electrically charged and it is said to be as hydrophilic, means water loving, and tail which is non-charged, not having any charge, that's why no charge, and hydrophobic means that it is water hating. These are arranged like a sandwich with the hydrophilic heads aligned on the outer surface of the membrane and the hydrophobic tails, forming a central water repelling layer. This is all about the structure of the cell, as the outer layer is the plasma membrane, and these all are the organelles which are present inside the cell. Membrane proteins, so these provides the channels, and for example the electrolytes and non-lipid soluble substance are allowed to pass, and the membrane proteins are present on the outer surface of the phospholipids, and their function is carbohydrate which is attached to the membrane protein, which gives the cell its immunological identity. It acts as a receptor. Some are enzymes. Transmembrane proteins form channels that are filled with water and allow very small water soluble ions to cross the membrane. Some of them are involved in pumps for the transfer of the substances. Organelles. In this, first is the nucleus, as it is present in the all cells of the body, but exception case is the mature erythrocytes, that is the RBC. It is the largest organelle and it consists of the nuclear envelope with the tiny pores, and in a non-dividing cell DNA, it is present as fine network of thread called chromatin, but when the cell prepares to divide, the chromatin form the distinct structures called chromosomes. There are different type of RNA, not all found in the nucleus, but which are
cell. One cells are the body's smallest,
which are generally involved in protein synthesis. Roughly structure, rough, roughly spherical structure called the nucleolus, which is involved in the synthesis and assembly of the components of ribosomes. Next is the mitochondria. Mitochondria are membranous sausage-shaped structures in the cytoplasm. They are also known as the powerhouse of the cell. The most active cell types have the greatest number of the mitochondria. For example, liver, muscle, and the spermatozoa. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the tiny granules composed of the RNA and protein. They synthesize proteins from the amino acid using RNA as the template. They include the enzymes which is required for metabolism, as they are found on the outer surface of the nuclear envelope and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, as they are extensive series of interconnecting membranous canals in the cytoplasm. There are two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. First is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They synthesize lipids and steroid hormones and is also associated with the detoxification of some drugs. Lipids are used to replace and repair the plasma membrane and the other organelle. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It consists of the ribosomes, are the site of the synthesis of proteins. Some of them are exported from cells that leave the parent cell by exocytosis. Golgi apparatus. It consists of stacks of closely folded flattened membranous sacs. The proteins move from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus where they are packaged into the membrane-bound vesicle. The vesicles are stored and when needed they move to the plasma membrane and fuse with it. The contents are expelled, secreted from the cell. This process is said to be as exocytosis. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are small membranous vesicle pinched off from the Golgi apparatus. The enzymes involved in breaking the enzymes which are present in lysosomes are involved in breaking down of the fragments of organelles, like the larger molecules are converted into the smaller molecule, like we can say DNA, RNA. Lysosomes in the WBC contain the enzyme that digest foreign material such as the microbes. Cytoskeleton. These are the extensive network of the tiny protein fibers. Microfilaments. Microfilaments are the smallest fibers which provide structural support, maintain the shape of the cell, permit contraction. For example, actin in the muscle cell. Microtubules are large contractile protein fibers as they are involved in the movement like organelles within the cell, chromosomes during cell division, cell extension. Centrosome. It directs organization of the microtubules within the cell and it plays an important role in the cell division as it consists of pair of centrioles which are the small clusters of microtubules. Cell extension. These project from the plasma membrane in some type of cell and their components are microtubules which allow the movement. They include microvilli. Microvilli. They are the tiny projection that contain microfilaments. They cover the exposed surface of certain types of the cell. For example, absorptive cells that line the small intestine, and it also increases the surface area. Cilia. They are microscopic hair-like projection containing microtubules that lie along the free borders of some cells. For example, mucus upwards in the respiratory tract. Flagella. It is a single long whip-like projection containing microtubules which form the tails of the spermatozoa. Thank you.